Ever wondered how much the average Raiz investor has stashed away? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Raiz, exploring the average balance and uncovering some interesting trends. Buckle up, because this might surprise you. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, is a micro-investing app that makes saving and investing ridiculously easy. It allows you to round up your purchases and automatically invest the spare change. But what does the average Raiz portfolio actually look like? Do most people have a few $100s, or are we talking thousands? Let's find out. Unfortunately, Raiz doesn't publicly release the exact average balance across all users. This is understandable, privacy matters. However, we can gather some insights from a few key areas. Case studies and testimonials. Raiz often shares success stories of users who've achieved significant savings through consistent micro-investing. These stories, while anecdotal, can give us a glimpse into the potential of the platform. Industry benchmarks. We can compare Raiz to other micro-investing apps and robo-advisors. While direct comparisons are difficult, general industry trends can provide some context. User surveys and forums. Online communities and user surveys can offer valuable insights into the saving habits and investment goals of Raiz users. Based on the available information, it's clear that the average Raiz balance varies significantly depending on several factors. Time invested. The longer you've been using Raiz, the more time your investments have had to grow. Compound interest is a powerful force, and even small contributions can snowball over time. Investment strategy. Raiz offers different investment portfolios with varying risk levels. More aggressive portfolios, while potentially offering higher returns, also carry greater risk. Contribution frequency and amount. Consistent contributions, even small ones, are key to building wealth. Those who diligently round up purchases and maximize their contributions will likely have larger balances. User age and income. Younger users with higher incomes may have more disposable income to invest, leading to larger portfolio balances. While pinpointing the exact average balance is challenging, the key takeaway is this: the average Raiz balance doesn't matter as much as your individual balance. Focus on your goals. What are you saving for? Retirement? A down payment? A dream vacation? Set clear financial goals and tailor your Raiz contributions accordingly. Track your progress. Regularly review your portfolio and track your progress towards your goals. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Don't compare yourself. Avoid comparing your balance to others. Everyone's financial journey is unique. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your own successes. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your Raiz balance. Round up more. Increase your round-up amounts to significantly boost your contributions. Automate contributions. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your Raiz account to ensure consistent investing. Explore Boost Mode. Utilize Raiz Boost Mode to accelerate your savings by investing larger sums of money. Take advantage of employer matching. If your employer offers a matching contribution for retirement savings, make sure to take full advantage of it. While the exact average Raiz balance remains elusive, it's clear that consistent micro-investing can lead to significant savings over time. By focusing on your own goals, tracking your progress, and maximizing your contributions, you can build a strong financial future with Raiz. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.